Hello. Welcome to the channel. A well designed room doesn't feel loud or confusing. It feels calm, connected, and complete. That feeling comes from unity and harmony. Unity is about togetherness in design. It means all the elements in a room feel like they belong to the same space. This can be achieved through consistent colors, similar materials, repeated shapes, or a common style. When room has unity, it feels organized and intentional. Harmony is closely related to unity, but it focuses more on comfort and flow. Harmony ensures that elements work together without clashing. Even if objects are different, harmony makes sure that they complement each other instead of competing for attention. You can think of unity as creating a clear visual direction and harmony as maintaining ease within that direction. A space might have unity through color or style, but without harmony, it can still feel overwhelming or uncomfortable. Good interiors quietly balance both. A common mistake is adding too many styles or finishes without a clear relationship. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.